everyone, it's Jay with iCar-STL.com, and today we are here with the 2014 Subaru WRX Limited. If you love Japanese sports cars, hit the subscribe button. If you love this car, give us a thumbs up. All of our cars we can finance on, everything in our inventory. We work with 3 different lenders that will help bring your dream car to your driveway. All lenders are listed on our website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out applications online and have approvals in less than 24 hours. Let's quit wasting some time here and let's take a look at this beautiful car. As I said earlier, we're here with the 2014 Subaru WRX. It's got 65,717 miles on it. It is powered by a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo with a 5-speed manual transmission. It shows 2 owners and 2 accidents on an auto check report. It is equipped with drag DR 19 18-inch white alloy wheels, 245/40/18 tires, Perrin intake system, Process West intercooler, Invidia catback exhaust, Tomei Headers, Eibach sway bars in the front and rear, AEM Wideband AFR Gauge, Defi water temp, red rally armor mud flaps, Cobb access port, and red Subaru emblems in the front and rear. Also has a power sliding sunroof and heated leather front seats. The mileage is confirmed on it. Let's take a look at the exterior, then I'll show you the interior. We'll do a cold start for you and take it for a drive. Alright, starting up front, it's got a beautiful white pearl paint finish on it. It looks really good with the red, it really pops. It does have scuff there on the bumper, and a mark there, and of course rock chips and scuffs all along the front. Don't know if you can see them there. The bumper is a little misaligned here. It's got yellow fog lights in it. It's got a dent here. You can see that. Wheels got a scuff on them here. Scuff down the side there. Windows are tinted. Chip there. Mark on the mirror. Sunroof. Here's the back wheel. Looks to be in pretty good shape. It's got a scuff there. There's the aftermarket exhaust Invidia. It's got some scuffs on these bumpers here and here. Driver's side rear wheel, missing center cap, but looks good. It's got a mark there, mark there. And now for the hood. Paint blemish there, chip there, chip here, a couple rock chips here and there. Overall condition of this car is in very good shape though. It's got a mark here on the interior. Seat looks to be in really good shape. Shows the red WRX emblem. Heated seats. 5-speed. Cobb access port. Gauges. Rear seat. Door. No cracks or anything in the dash. Does have all-weather floor mats. There's your passenger seat. Sunroof. Mirrors. Here. Sunroof slides. And tilts up. Rear window. And that passenger side window, I think, is a switch. Does not work. Power locks work. Does have keyless entry. There are no check engine lights on or any dash lights. Has a Kenwood CD player. Let's do a cold start for you. All right, cold start time. Mufflers are cold. Hand-roll button. Cold. No dash lights. All right, let's take her for a spin. Good. We're in third gear, fourth gear. Ride's pretty good. Drive's good. No grinds in the gears or anything. About 55. You can see that, but let us know if you have any questions. You can call us at that number below or grab our email from our website. We're happy to answer any questions that you have. try to be open and honest about every vehicle we have and everything we know about it. So this concludes the 2014 Subaru WRX Limited. Thanks for watching.